Hi, this is Chef Deborah. Once again, I'm here and I'm going to teach you how to bake a blueberry crumble bar. Okay, let's start and let's go to the kitchen. For the ingredients, 3 cups of flour, 156 grams of butter, 500 grams of blueberry peeling, 1 cup of white sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla. The procedure: cream the butter with the sugar, add the egg, add vanilla, and add all the dry ingredients, then mix until incorporated. Spray oil to the baking pan in line with the baking sheet. Evenly flatten the crust to the baking pan until it's covered. Break the crust with the fork so that it doesn't pop up in the oven. Put the blueberry peeling to the crust and spread it evenly. Set aside and we will make crumble for the top. For crumble, we need half cup of white sugar, 150 grams of butter, and 1 cup of flour. To make crumble, blend all together the ingredients. Sprinkle on the top of the blueberry peeling evenly. Bake at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Hope you learned something about this video and enjoy baking in your home. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much and have a good day.